You're live.
No, you're live.
Going live. Oh, watch out for buffering. Today we're gonna help Benjamin with his classwork. That's what we're gonna do. Quarantined. We're on total lockdown. Last year was a state of the future. Now it's a state of emergency. I got a new camera and some new equipment. Learning how to use it. And we're gonna put it to use. Let's go here real quick though first. It's easier for me to talk to, not go back and forth between cameras. You see? Let's find out if I'm smarter than a 6th grader, or if I can help this 6th grader figure out his homework. He's been struggling. Maybe we can help out some other kids if they're struggling, or they can help us out if I get stuck on some of these questions that sometimes don't make a whole lot of sense. Look at my cool kid. This is my cool kid. And there's my cool kid with his homework. There's his homework. You're gonna have to take those glasses off. The chroma key's seeing right through them, bro. Why is your arm in your shirt for?
It's just cold.
And I'm doing this because sometimes I'm kind of mean to him when he's doing his homework because it's frustrating. And I'm trying to maybe not be so mean this time. Maybe we can get it done and without any tears. No, you keep those off. All right. First question. Mark's score on his first 9 assignments were 10, 10, 9, 9er, 10, 8, 9er, 10, and 8. A. What are the median and range of his scores? Go.
9.
What?
9.
9?
9 is the median. Dad.
Do you know what median means?
Middle. Like, what's in the middle of it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I mean, if that's the median, what is the median?
You just
I thought
said
it was like the average. What is the range of his scores? This guy fucking got to Google some shit here.
10.
It's been a long time since I've been in 6th grade. What?
10.
I ain't college. I don't fucking remember. This is crazy. What?
10 is the range.
How do you know? What is the median in the range? Tell me.
The median is like what's in the middle. So like,
The very middle number?
well,
What if there were 10 scores
10,
and
10,
not 9
10,
and there wasn't
10.
a middle number? Then what? Going back to school, folks. You guys are complaining that you don't got nothing to do. If you got kids, you got something to do for like a long time. They sent this whole huge packet of things to do, and we got to do all of it. They also sent a crisis center line number in case you go fucking insane trying to help your kids. Thanks, teachers, because this is a pain in the... You know what it's a pain in. You deal with them all day, every day of school. I bet you those teachers are so happy. They probably got to act like they're not happy. But I would be fucking thrilled. I don't know. Maybe they fucking really do miss these kids. I like hanging out with my kids. Until we gotta fucking do this. And I gotta... He reminds me of how much he tries to rush things. Switch to this camera, huh? Now we got it. Now I can talk to this camera and to you and to this if I want to. Let's do that. So we got some Ella lessons. What's Ella?
I thought we were doing math.
I know, but these are all the stuff. This is all the stuff we got to do. We got a whole bunch of stuff to do for quarantine. And when we run out of that, I bought some puzzles that are pretty cool. But let's Google what the fuck median means.
Click.
Median range. What happened there? Did it just go away?
It's at the top. You enter it.
Oh. Let's see if he's correct. Find the median, mode, range, jeopardy. Mean, median, mode.
Jeopardy.
Jeopardy, range, jeopardy, jeopardy. Let's see. Wiki?
Wicca, wicca. Push back.
In statistics and probability theory, the median is the value separating the higher half from the lower half
So 9.
of a data sample.
So 9.
I don't know. We'll see. Oh, that's my phone too close to my speaker there. That's what that noise does. We'll move that, put that in my pocket. A population or a probability distribution. For a data set, it may be thought of as the middle value. For example, the basic advantage of the median is describing data compared to the mean, often simply described as the average, is that it is not skewed. What is that is not skewed so much by a small proportion of extremely large small values, and so it may give a better idea of typical value. Another example, in understanding statistics like household income or assets, which vary greatly, the mean may be skewed by a small number of extremely high or low values. Median income, for example, may be a better way to suggest what a typical income is. Because of this, the median is of central importance in robust statistics, as it is the most resistant statistic, having a breakdown point of 50%, so long as no more than half of the data are contaminated. The median will not give an arbitrarily large or small result. So, I don't know if you're right. Write down all those numbers. What numbers? Who'd you got? We gotta write them down. We got 10, 10, 10, 10. 8, 8. Alright, so 9 would be it. Is your median. Range, home on the range. You get a line, I get a pole.
A message to our readers about COVID-19.
We're not talking about that. Everybody else is talking about that. Let them talk about that. Range, the ranges, there's a store called the Range Hood, range. What the fuck is the thing with the range? What the
Look
fuck
up
is the
range
range at?
math term.
Well, I had it. Oh, went too far. You've gone too far. Range. Does it tell you how to do this on your app, on your classwork? Does it give you the median?
Ebook.
Oh shit! Look at what it does, dude. They give you the answers, and you read it. What? The mean is the usual average. So why the fuck do you not just say average? Why don't you just ask for the average? Kids know what the average is. They've done that. You're just going to change the word up on them. I remember that. Yep. Ah, cool. So I'll add and then divide. 15. All right. The median is the middle value. So first, I'll have to rewrite the list of numerical in numerical order. There are 9 numbers in the list. So the middle one will be the 9 plus 1 divided by 2 equals 10 divided by 2 equals 5th number. Jeez, that's crazy that you put it out there like that. Just fucking. Okay, we get it. Yeah, the middle number. What is this? Confusion? The mode is the number that is repeated more often than the other. 13. The largest value in the list is 21 and the smallest is 13. So the range is 21 minus 13. Circle your median right there. You circled all the fucking 9s?
Yeah, because that's 9 is
Are you
the
trying
median.
to be a smart ass or what?
No, 9 is the median.
So you circle all of them? Alright. You circle the middle number, Benjamin. The
I
middle,
did.
just 1. This is why I get frustrated with you. You're too extra, dude. You know? Too extra. So you got the smallest number, or the largest number is what?
10.
Smallest number is what?
8.
How do you find the range? I just read it.
Division?
The largest value in the list is 21 and the smallest is 13. So the range is 21 minus 13. What does that tell you after we have already...
10 minus 8.
Is what?
2.
So your range is what?
2.
Write it. The range is 2. Write that. No? Is that where it's...
Median and range.
Alright. Oh, boy.
And the median is 9.
Let's
And
go back here. What is the mean average score so far? 9.2? Did you... I don't... Huh? So it's 10, 20, 30, 40...
49. 49 plus 9 is
58, 67, 67 plus 8,
is 70.
5, plus 8,
Be 83.
yeah. 83 divided by 9, it probably is about 9.2, ain't it? Is that what you got?
83 divided by 9.
'Cause
9 goes into
9 and
0.
1, or 9 times 9 is 81, right?
9 goes into 8 0 times, so when you multiply 9 by 0, should be 0. And then you do 3 minus 0, which you can't do, so that'd be 3, and then that'd be 83. So how many times does 9 go into 83? 9.
Why did you do long division for 83 divided by 9?
Because that's the only way they've taught us. They've only taught us this way.
9 only goes in... Okay, whatever. What is your median, or your range, your mean? What is your mean average? It's angry, it's mean. I'm about to be mean. I'm about to be an average in a second. What is it?
9.2.
Yeah, we'll take that for now. Because 9 times 9 is?
9 times 9 is 40. No, 9 times 9 is 82. I was going to say 42 is 82.
What is 9 times 9, Benjamin? What is 90 minus 9?
90 minus 9?
Why is this taking you so long? The fuck is 10 minus 9, Benjamin?
1. 81.
Holy shit.
I got 1 over 82. My bad. I got 82 instead of 81. Sorry.
This is kind of my fault, I guess.
How? I'm not.
I feel like you should know all this shit. All right, next question is, let's get low here. Set up a graph and plot 4 points that form the vertices, corners of a rectangle. Then write the coordinates of the 4 points and find the length of each pair of sides. Did you cheat on this? How did you get this?
Oh, I didn't.
You didn't what?
I get that because I have to use this. The graph.
Oh. Set up a graph
Right here.
and plot 4 points that form a vertices.
Of a triangle?
Corners of a rectangle. Why did you draw a triangle on your homework? Huh?
I don't know.
Oh. Whoa. Oh, man. This is tough. I wanted low latency and stuff, and you guys are fucking with me.
Okay, so now back to this. Let's buy a rectangle to the 4. So then 1, 2, 3, 4. So that'd be, this would be 1, 2, 3. So then this would be 0, 3. This would be 3, 1, 2. So then this would be 2, 3, 2. 3, 2. And this would be.
I'm just putting them anywhere? You can just put them anywhere? Set up
Yeah.
a graph.
Yeah.
Plot 4 points.
0, negative 2. And then this would be 1,
What else is the next
1, 2. No. Yeah. What? Yeah. 1, 2. So that'll be 2, negative 3. 2, negative 2, 3. Yeah. Okay, I did it.
Making me fucking nauseous.
Whoop. And that goes there, and then that goes there. Negative 2, 3, because that's negative 2 over 3 up. And then that'd be 0, negative 2, because 0, and then over 2 would be negative 2. Right?
Okay, yep,
Right,
that
right,
looks good.
Right.
Okay, next one.
Rewrite each expression using the distributive property.
Explain yourself.
Ebook.
Oh, you cheated.
I didn't get it.
Do you get it now? Explain it now. Because that's what's important. Because if you get it after you're done doing it.
Oh, okay. Well,
Where was your ebook at? We just had it up here.
you have to type in.
No, we had it up. Where did it go? Did I X out of it? Did I exit out of it or just have the fucking...
It's not in Classwork. You have to type it in. CPM ebook.
Son of a bitch. Who was texting me so much with the pain? Oh my god. Why would you send it to the whole group? Oh my gosh.
What is it?
Grandma. Texting a whole group of people. Alright. Sorry everybody. Or whatever. What does that say? Don't take ibuprofen? Thrives on ibuprofen. You guys were supposed to stop taking ibuprofen anyway. Alright. Okay. So, don't have any ibuprofen. But where did it go, though? Because we had it up. I remember looking at it. And we had the math, and we had the median, and we were doing the thing. Remember?
Mm-mm.
Or was that's this? Where did it go? Oh, I did exit out of it. It is there. What is it?
CPM.
CP?
M. Space. Ebook.
I gotta sign in and stuff?
Just go to that, yeah. Click the sign in. Click, nope, go do that. You have to sign into my email, so you have to go back.
Back what?
To go to the tab that you were just at. First link.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, my phone does that.
Sign in with Google. And Venmo Ruggiero.
Who spelled your name like that? What a dick.
First one. Because the second one's
This?
in Spanish, yep. Because the other one's in Spanish. 8. Go to chapter 8. 1. First one. That one. And go all the way down to the bottom. Homework right there.
This is your homework?
Yep.
Where at?
Right there. Review
Oh, there
and
it is.
preview.
Look at that. You can do it here, you can do it there. Homework help.
Yeah.
Help! Help me!
Click that.
And it gives you all the answers?
Not
That's
all.
kinda fucking
Sometimes it only gives 2 or 1. But sometimes it gives 3. This one it gives 3. It gives A, C, and D, but not B. Or no, it gives A, B, and D, but not C.
I gotta do something about this phone messing with my speakers. Rewrite the expression using a distributive property. Using the distributive property. The. Fuck, who else can do this?
Everybody.
Everybody can do this?
Everyone.
You understand it?
Oh, I thought you were talking about ebook. Yeah, everybody can access ebook. But
Well, but who can do these problems?
I don't know.
Distributive property. So it looks like they want you to break this down and make it harder to do.
Yep, that's about it.
I think it would be 5 times 5.
That's it on the ebook.
That's what it said on the ebook. What is the hint? What?
Let's press hint,
And they really.
and then more help.
What is the common factor between the two terms? X.
No, X is question
5?
mark. Yeah, 5 would be the thing. 5 would be the common factor.
5x. Man, it's been a long time since I did this. You have 17 over there.
No, I don't.
I saw it. It looks like 17, dude.
It's a plus.
Oh, that looks like that's the worst plus. Remember when I thought it looked like a 1? Alright. It didn't give you B? How'd you get B? What's the common
No, it gave
factor
B.
there? Oh.
It didn't give C.
That was a little more tricky. A little trickier. Tricky.
Common factors there would be...
Multiply both of the terms in the parentheses by what lies on the outside.
So it'd be 7 minus 2x times...
You didn't do anything that it just said to do. Multiply both of the terms in the parentheses by what lies on the outside.
So it'd be 7 times 8. And then it'll be...
2 times 8.
2.
So what's 7 times 8?
40... Or no. 8 times 6 is 48. So that means 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56.
Okay. 2 times 8.
16. So then that'd be 56x minus 16x to the second power, which would be squared.
Why do you have second power anywhere?
Because it said, look, click the answer. It says...
Well, did you read any of this shit? Or did you just click through and then put the answer down?
No, I read it.
Then how come you're not doing it? How come you didn't write any of the stuff? Why didn't you do anything that it told you to do?
56x...
Just now you did that.
No, look, 56x minus 16x squared, which that would be to the second power, but it's just squared. Click. Boom.
Why squared? Because of the 2 x's?
Yeah. No, because
So you don't
it's
know.
multiplication, that's why. Multiplication is always squared, said Mr. Arms. If you multiply x, it's always going to come out squared.
It's because there's 2 x's. Okay.
Alright. 369, which would be times 3, so that'd be... I don't know why I did it wrong there.
Follow the steps in part A. What is the common factor between the two terms?
3. So then you'd multiply 9 times 3 and 3 times 3.
Why?
Because the common denominator is 3.
It just says factor out 5x from both terms. So you factor out the 5x.
There's no 5. What?
Or you just factor, what?
Huh? Wouldn't it be 9 times 3 and 3 times 3? So 9 times 3 is 9, 16, 21. So it'd be 21x. Why is Donovan calling me? 21x
No,
minus...
that can't be it.
Stop calling me, Donovan.
Look. You factor this out of there, and you put it on the outside. So it's going to be 3x.
Stop.
Right? It'll be 3x. And then x plus 3. I think. Right? Or x minus 3, not plus. Because there's this subtraction. Right? Does that make sense? Doesn't give you the answer for that one. All right, let's go enter for D. Oh my gosh, the family's here. Oh, how many more questions do we got? Yeah, don't mess with that.
1, 2,
I didn't know you were coming so early.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
We're live right now. We're live right now.
Oh, thanks for the clothes.
Not real sure. I've been trying to figure it out. Hunt it back. It's either. It's a big nose for me. Yeah.
Boys don't get playhouses.
Boys don't get playhouses? Yeah. Follow the steps in part B. Ooh, there's only one X. Is that X still squared? And why are you not paying attention and you're still, why aren't you helping yourself here? We're on the next problem and you're over here doodling. This is what you do in school? Pay attention, son. Sorry, teachers. You guys did it at home too. What'd you get for D, Benjamin?
4x minus 28. Because it's 7 times 4, which would be 28. And then that'd be 4 times x, would be 4x.
Very good.
It has a unicorn
A
on it.
unicorn?
Yeah. There's two unicorns inside the playhouse.
Oh, man.
There's black lines on the box. There's 2 unicorns in the playhouse.
Get out of town.
Mhm.
Well, we still got some homework to do before we do that.
See it.
I've seen it.
So,
And that's in there.
I don't know. We'll find out. What are you doing? That needs to be washed.
I want to wash my blanket.
Well, wash that with it.
No.
Now, what else do I wash with that? That's why I haven't washed it.
I'm not putting that nasty ass rug.
Use that before you use the other stuff.
I am getting detergent.
Please. That is detergent.
don't play the drums, Amelia.
Lindsay, what are you doing?
Because Grandma will get mad.
Why?
Because it hurts
Why
her
didn't you
ears.
use the green bottle first?
This is fabric softener.
The whole time?
Yes. Fabric softener. Not detergent.
No wonder why my clothes are so soft. Cleans them too, though, right?
I mean, no.
Fuck, I did not see
Clothes
that.
probably smell really good.
You didn't read it?
No, I sure didn't. That's been fabric softener this whole time? Who sells a big ass bottle of fabric softener like that? Looking like detergent.
Where is our puzzle?
It looks like laundry detergent.
It says ultimate fresh fabric softener.
Stop it. Grandma will get mad because it hurts her ears.
Well, there's that.
Where's our,
Well, everything that was washed with that.
where's our puzzle?
Just fabric softener?
Where's our puzzle, Daddy?
We haven't started it yet. Oh, yeah, that's a lot of clothes.
I know, but where is...
All right, how many more problems we got?
Like, 1, 2,
How do I get out of
3,
this?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
little
9,
backpacking?
10, 11, 12, 12.
No. You're going to do that on your own. And then we'll come back tomorrow and we'll go over it and do something else in the morning. We're not getting a lot of views here anyway.
Dad, where
Maybe
is
they'll play it back. I
our
don't know.
puzzle? Yeah, Dad, where is our puzzle?
Stop asking.
I washed my blanket in there. I wish I'd have known that was fucking fabric softener. What are you doing over here? Don't you come in here.
It's slippery. It's all wet.
Will
back
you do
there.
something with that rug or something? You're worse than the girls. What kind of beard you get me? What'd they have?
This was gross. You should just throw this away.
You think?
Yes.
Okay.
There's some over here. You can put that
Daddy, do you like
before.
I know. I don't know.
what?
I think it's the big, huge pipe.
Just put one of these.
The,
Or both of these. There's two of these.
You're welcome.
Like her
I
hair?
really don't even like a rug up there.
Okay. Problem solved.
I just didn't know what to do with that. All right. What'd you get for 8, 10? Use each of the digits 2, 3, 5, and 8 once with any combination of plus, minus. Fuck is that? Decimal, division, or parentheses to write an expression with the value.
That's not a
of
decimal, that's multiplication.
this little dot.
Yeah,
All right.
that's known as a multiplication.
Multiplication.
Multiplication symbol.
To write an expression with the value of 104. Note that you cannot repeat operations, or note that you can repeat operations, but not numbers.
So,
Did you cheat on this one too?
no, it didn't.
You didn't look at this answer.
Go to homework help. It doesn't always give you the answer. This one doesn't give you the answer.
Each of the digits, we already read it. Try dividing 104 by one of these numbers, and then see if you can use the remaining numbers to get that value. Remember, there are multiple ways to use these numbers to get 104. 104 divided by 8 equals 13.
Always.
Chill,
Quiet.
chill. We're doing something. How can you use the remaining numbers to get 13?
104 divided by 8 equals 13. What remaining numbers can get you 13? 5, nope, 5 doesn't get 13. 3, 6, 9.
Who is that?
Uncle Tom.
Guess who my candy kid is?
I don't know.
I'll get you a hint. Her hair.
Come on, let him do his homework. We got to get this done. Let's just get this couple questions done, then we'll play and we'll get your box and we'll get everything. Let us get this done first, okay, please? Please. What'd you get for that answer? You didn't even do it.
I don't
His
understand
name is
it.
Peppermint.
Alright guys, leave Daddy alone.
So it says try dividing 104 by one of these numbers and then see if you use the remaining numbers to get the value. Remember, there are multiple ways to use these numbers to get 104. How can you use the remaining numbers to get 13? So, write an expression to get 104 to get 2, 3, 5, and
2,
8.
4, 6, 8, 10. Nope. 2 doesn't go into 13. Does 3 go into 13?
So we have to use 2, 3, 5, and 8 to get 104. With addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or parentheses.
Oh, 8 plus 5 equals 13.
8 is 13.
Yep.
But that doesn't mean anything. What is that? It doesn't get you. That doesn't tell you anything. And see if they're using your many numbers to get that value. That doesn't fucking make sense, dude. So what's 104 divided by 5? That's not going to be a...
It's a decimal.
104 divided by 3. Well, what's 104 divided by 2? What's that? 52? What gets you to 52? None of these. Well,
8.
no.
No.
Are you even trying, or are you just looking and waiting for me to tell you what it is?
I'm thinking of what.
How to make the do it? What is it? You got 2, 3,
3,
5, and 8.
and 8.
How can you use the remaining numbers to get 13? You can add 5 and 8. That gets you 13. But that doesn't help.
At 5 plus
2
8 equals 13.
What is all of them multiplied together? 2 times 3 is 6.
6 times
6
5,
times 5 is
36.
36.
6
Or
times
30
5
is
is
30.
30.
30 times 8. What's 30 times 8? Ooh, that's not going to be right. 200 and something.
240.
So we got 8 plus 5. Damn. That hint is a bullshit hint. And that's not a remaining number after that. After 8. And that only gets you to 10 if you add them. But, oh, looky here. So 104 divided by 8 gives you 13.
Okay, 104.
So what you want to do is you want to, what's 2 times 5 is 10, right?
What does 104 divided by 8 get? 13? Yeah, 13. Okay.
2 times 5
2 times 5 is 10.
plus 3
Plus 3 would be 13. Trying to get 13
and
or
then 13 times 8.
13 times.
But you
8.
got to write that correctly on there.
So it will be 13 times 8 would be 8, 16, 24.
You don't write the 13. You're writing in an expression. You're not writing the problem out. You're not showing work for the problem. You're writing the expression. Yeah.
I don't understand this.
You don't understand how to make these numbers work? You're writing an expression, just like this is an expression.
Confusing. So 13.
So you got to write 2 times 5 plus 3 times 8.
2 times 5 plus 2 times 5 plus 3.
With an 8 in parentheses.
2 times 5 plus 3. 8.
Right? Would that be right?
Sure.
Don't say sure. I'm not going to do this if you're just going to wait for me to give you the fucking answers, Benjamin. Yeah. Yep. Well, somebody has to. Let me see. How do you write that? So if it's 2 times 5, then you gotta, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, right? So you do parentheses first. So 8 times 3.
PEMDAS.
Yeah, well, that's not written right. So don't use the parentheses. But you gotta multiply first before you divide, right? Or before you...
Multiply before you divide.
2 times 5 plus 3 But if you write times 8, you're going to have 3 times 8, and then 2 times 5. And that ain't going to fucking add up. What, that's 10 and 24. That's only 34. So that's not how you do it. Play around with that. But we're on the right track. You just got to make it so when you write these numbers out, they equal to 104. I'm not giving you the answer. I want you to figure. There's multiple ways to do it, but this is one way. We're on the right track. You just got to make sure that when you do this problem, you get 104. You need a scrap piece of paper or something?
No, I got this. Not. Are we gonna do 8 through 11?
No, I want you to figure this out.
Okay.
And that's 8-11, not through it. You know generic triangles, Benjamin. You do this all the time. You were good at this 2 weeks ago. You just got to find this section
Yeah,
here,
but
right?
I've never been good at these ones. These ones.
It's all the same, Benjamin.
No, it's not, because you have to find what is outside and what's in the inside.
Copy complete each generic rectangles below. Be sure to state the final product. We're going to the moon! Let's get ready to blast off! That's just the washer ready to go through the fucking roof. Determine which values go on the outside of the rectangle. Looks like
2x
1.
plus 3. So 2x.
Fill in the empty squares inside the rectangle and add all the numbers in the rectangle. Do not forget to use common denominator if necessary. That was a shit ton of bleach you put in there. Holy shit. Where the fuck did 1/3 come from?
40 plus 3 plus 43. 43 multiplied by 2.
Why do you gotta put fractions in here, man? So what is this? Why does that go on the outside?
369 negative 159. Total position that was worked out. 369 was negative
You get it yet? Alright, I gotta go. I got things going on here. We'll try again some live stuff tomorrow or something. That's why I don't make a lot of videos. I fucking don't watch them.
I tried 5 times 8 plus 3 times 2. That didn't work.
I'll talk to you tomorrow. Maybe. I don't know. Fuck it. Subscribe if you want. Or,